We'll be watching two very easy makeup looks in this video. One will be a day look and the other one is evening or a party look, which is very easy to recreate and you will love it. So hi all and welcome to Food and Living. These looks are something which I like to do very often and very easy also. So I thought I will share it with you because I do it very often and then it looks very nice and chic. So let's just start the video without further ado. So first I will moisturize my skin. So this is a moisturizer and a serum. It is very nice. I've been using it for a while now and I'm liking it. This is from Mom and Co. Even the primer could be used, but since it is winter, I like to use a moisturizer which can make the skin look very supple and feel very youthful and energetic and radiant too. And also a good makeup can hold it also. So next step is that I'm using a CC cream. This is from Lakme in the shade beige. This is a one product which I definitely recommend and I personally love it and it's my personal favorite, and this is the go-to cream that I like to use. Generally I am not a two makeup person, so this is what I like to do. I take a little quantity and apply it with the tip of the finger just like I'm doing here, and then you can use your fingers to spread it evenly. If you can see closely, it is giving a very good coverage, and this is how I use it for even no makeup look too. And then I'm setting it with a pressed powder using a brush. Since it's winter, a very small quantity of powder will do, and using a brush will give a good coverage. And then I'm using a kajal. This is Joe's pencil kajal, and I'm holding one end of the eye and applying it just below the lashes, also into the waterline and the top waterline too. So that way it can give a bright and opened up look for the eyes, and also because my eyes are very small, this is something I like to do. And to make it smudge free, you can also use a small quantity of powder or a black eyeshadow. And then I'm curling my lashes with a lash curler, and then using a pencil eyeliner to line the lashes. This is very easy and I definitely like this. This is a fancy store brand and I think very affordable too. And then I'm using a mascara. Use it from the bottom of the lashes so that it is more it is giving a nice curl and looks bright too. Do not forget to apply the mascara to the lower lashes as well. So I'm using the gel liner to gel kajal or liner to make my brows or fill in my brows. This is a crucial step as it can give a very nice look once your eyebrows are filled. Using a brush like this, I am filling in the sparse areas. You can also use a spoolie to do this step, but for now this is okay for me. Just fill in the sparse areas, and you can give a small arch too if you do not have one. So this is how I do it on both the sides. If you're liking this video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also these days we get lip tints. I'm a very lip balm person, not too much of a lipstick person, and I definitely love these kind of tinted lip balms. This is Lakme and the other one is Maybelline one. So the one I'm using is Lip Love from Lakme and it is in shade violet or pinkish tinge, and it is very nice. For the morning look, this is so perfect. I just love this. So that is it for the makeup. I'm keeping it very simple, and then we'll make a small hairdo too. Just brush your hair with a comb and remove all the knots. I'm taking a small portion from the top end, that is from the bangs. Collect them like this, and you can very gently back comb it. Collect the hair as I'm doing it here. This is a half bun updo, which is the quite in trend these days, and it looks very chic and nice and very youthful. I just love this look. This hairstyle suits for most of your Indian and ethnic and Indo Western or even Western clothes too. I'm just pulling a small bangs so that it looks more natural also, and you need not worry about it being very perfect. A messy look also looks very nice. So I'm taking a rubber band like this, which has a small brooch or flat kind of a design in the front. This will give a small volume, hence I'm using this kind of a rubber band, but you can also use a normal one. So I'm just pulling it ahead so that there is a small poof like thing, and then again gently again back combing it. I hope you can see it, and then slowly start rotating the pony like this upwards so that you can make a bun out of it. Once you reach the end, you will slowly start pulling a small amount of hair like this with the gentle hands. With practice, I think this is very easy. You can just simply take a small portion and just insert it. I don't use too much of hairpins to attach to hold this too, because we're using a rubber band. I find this a very easy thing to do. And if you also like it, then please do let me know in the comment section. And once you have tucked all the extra hair inside, adjust it and then comb the rest of the hair, and you can place it however you want. Mine is naturally a little wavy, so I'm liking to keep it that way. And then finally I'm using a small pink blush just to finish the look. You could also use your lipstick to get this step, and this is how easy it is. This is the first look, which is very easy, nice, elegant, and I've kept the earrings and all very simple. Just a small chain with a pendant and a small earring. Just the bright eyes and light lips. So this is the first look. And for the second look, going forward from the same look, what I have done is I have left my hair open and then using a small dangler like earring, and then I've used a falsie, applied a false lash, and then using a liquid liner to line, and then using the a little darker shade of an eyeshadow. I'm applying it on the eyelids and blend it. Blending is very crucial. Do this slowly and blend it really well. You can use 2 to 3 shades with good transition, so that way it looks more even and nice. And then just at the corners I'm using black eyeshadow and giving a smoked kind of a look. You can also try different eyeliner color. I also tried the purple shade here just to give a different kind of a look to the eyes. I like purple, green. You could also try silver. That looks very nice for party, and the glitter black also looks very good. And do not forget to use the eyeshadow to the lower lash line as well. So this is how the look looks. And finally complete your look with a dark lips, and you can use a highlighter for the highest point of your face, that is the cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow. So this is where you will have a party look ready and you're ready to ravish. So I think this is it. This is my go-to party makeup look. I do not generally go for any kind of very bold looks. These are the looks which I really like to do and feel very myself. So that was it, guys. Hope you like it, and a very happy new year 2020. Stay happy, and also do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Blogger. And if you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe to Food and Living, and keep watching my channel and to pour in your love.